Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It's Day back again with another Vlogmas video. Today is Vlogmas Day 11. We've been doing pretty good so far. I think I only missed one day, but I'm doing way better than last year. Anyway, in this video, we are gonna start by opening up this SHEIN package. SHEIN package that I've been waiting on because I told you guys when I was opening all of my desk stuff that I ordered some more things from SHEIN. But yeah, it's finally here. I want to open it, and then after that I plan on finishing decorating the rest of the Christmas decor. So that's what's on my to-do list or whatever for tonight. But let's start with this SHEIN package. Oh my freaking gosh. Okay, so these are some pens that I ordered for my business, and I just got a couple of them because I didn't know how they would turn out. Wow, love these. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it says Daydream Digital. It's very much cute, and it has like the stylus up top. I love that. So when I have orders, I want to put these in some of the packages or whatever, just as a little freebie. I've been trying to figure out like what's my freebie, and I'm absolutely loving these pens that I got. Love these. Okay, so let's hop into it. I showed you guys the pens, and for the pens and like my business cards, I had got two of these. One is going on my makeup cart and one is going on my desk for the pens and like cards and stuff like that. And then this one is for like brushes and things of that nature. Also going on my makeup cart, we are going to put this lipstick kind of like tower or stand up there just to create some more space, having all the lipsticks and lip glosses in this. So next, speaking of makeup, I love these double-sided brushes. These really remind me of the e.l.f., I believe, brushes. And I have the e.l.f. ones, but I saw these on SHEIN and I had to have them. I just love the double-sided brushes, like love, love, love. Of course, we had to get some more powder puffs. Like, I love these, but they are extremely hard to clean. So me personally, I'd rather throw them away after a couple of uses and just get fresh ones, because literally you can get a pack of 10 for like $1 and some change. Like, they're just way too hard to clean. Like, the makeup literally does not come out. And by the time you get done scrubbing them so hard to get the makeup out, they're getting torn and they're ripping and all of that. I'd rather just throw them away and get a new one for $1. I'm gonna show you a few things for Christmas, and I told you guys that I was waiting on this train, the pink train, to go on my TV stand, and this is the new one, and I threw the old one out since it was broken, but this is literally the same one. I got this like garland to put on my TV stand as well, but I don't know, like I just really don't. On camera it doesn't look that bad, but in person it just looks so plastic and like fake, and I want it more so of like that textured like pine material to look a little bit more like a Christmas tree, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is what I was sent, and then the bows that was supposed to be on it is separate, so I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to put this on there, and I'm gonna try to use it because I spent my money on it, and like sending it back is just not an option, so we're gonna try to utilize it. So next, I know you probably can't tell what this is, but it's one of those silicone ice molds, and this is one of the teddy bear ones. I went to this cafe and they had like coffee teddy bears like in the drink. I was obsessed. This has been in my cart for a while, and I actually just convinced myself to buy it recently. But yeah, I'm obsessed with the bear ice mold. And so I'm thinking of putting coffee in here as well and making like cute little drinks. And this is just too cute. And y'all already know that we're making lots and lots of holiday drinks. We're not making one tonight, but lots and lots of holiday drinks because we still very much have 12-13 days left of Vlogmas. So we're gonna be making some more drinks, and best believe I'm gonna be using my teddy bears. I literally have been trying to stop buying clothes, but I've been really into like the business casual, sexy siren, business like vibe lately, And I feel like that trend is gonna be over really, really soon. And I like the like boss babe look. Like y'all know I'm a boss babe. I just started my business, so I'm on my business journey, and I just need more clothes to like speak to that, like the businesswoman that I'm trying to be. So I just plan on getting like little pieces here and there. And of course, when I get a more like serious job, I'll need like work clothes. So this was a shirt. I hope it looks better on, because I promise you, like on the picture, on the model, it looks 10 times, 15 times, 20 times better than just this. Like this is just not giving like just like this. But on the model, it just gave like boss. Okay, it gave like all of that. Like it gave she's about her business. I'm not impressed as of now, but you know, here we are. Okay, so this is the very last thing of this small SHEIN haul. I honestly thought I had way more earrings than this, because I've been throwing away a lot of my old jewelry that's like dingy or like rusted, or just I'm not wearing it anymore. I've just been throwing it away. I've been trying to rebuild my jewelry box, so I thought this was like a pack of gold earrings, but I guess it's just one. They're still really, really, really cute though, but I still need lots of gold earrings. I love, 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 as you can see. Like I just love gold earrings, little hoops, and I love like little hoops. They're just so freaking cute. And then next I had got these smaller. I really forgot the thought process behind these. I probably thought they were smaller than this, like really cute little snowflake studs, but they're actually quite large. And this would be more so for like a look, like, yeah. But I wish they were way smaller, like cute little studs. Everything that I got from SHEIN this go round. I'm very much tempted to get some more stuff as far as like their home, kitchen, office area. I don't know, I can't give up SHEIN. Like I've tried and I've tried and I've tried. I just can't give it up. Like they just got me in a chokehold. Like not only is the clothes, like clothes aside, they still have such good stuff. Their shoe game is getting better. Like I can't quit it. I can't quit it. I have tried. Yeah, now that this is done, we're gonna move over to putting up my second small miniature tree to mimic my big tree. So let's go ahead and do that.
Music.
Okay, so I don't have the stand to the miniature tree, so I'm gonna try my best to go to Five Below and get another tree, or I'm just not doing the miniature tree this year because I've looked everywhere for a very long time and I have no idea where the little stand is for the tree to actually stand up. I'm really, 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 really irritated about that. Like extremely irritated. So we're gonna skip this and we're gonna move on to like a few more things. But when I say over it and ready for bed, over it and ready for bed. But let's just try to do a few more things in this video. I did all of that by ordering a new one, and literally the new one is broke too. Like, are you serious? So the new one is missing the freaking wheel. Like, this side has the wheel, but this side doesn't have anything. Like, what in the world? Giant candy cane that I don't know what to do with. It lights up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna figure it out in this Vlogmas video. But that'll be everything for this Vlogmas video, day 11. I hope you guys enjoyed. We still have a few more things, and I'm considering going out to a couple of stores and getting like a few more things, because I'm really excited to see like everything starting to come together. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas day, and make sure you tune in for the next Vlogmas video. I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys.